Greetings, fellow grade 12s. It's Mr. Tlajayo here, and welcome to Back to Basics. Look, now, what we are going to be doing now, basically, we are going to be looking at our geometric sequence, right? So now we are going to be looking at these particular, exam type questions that you may find in there, right? Now, firstly, what they want us to do here, they want us to find out the value of k in the following sequence. So now, what is it that you can do to find out the value of your k? We are going to start here. Look, isn't it that we know that if we want to find the value of your k, now we have one aspect that can assist us in finding that. Now, since this is going to be three terms, one thing that we know, for example, we know that if, let's say, when we want to find out our value of our r, we know that in our value of our r, we say term 2 divided by term 1 is still the same as what? As term 3 divided by what? Divide by term what? By term 2, isn't it so? This is something that we've discussed. So now, what is it that now we can do in here? So for example, we can start by doing this. We can say now, what is your term? Remember, this is your term 1, this is going to be your term 2, and this is going to be your term 3. So what can we do here? We can simply say, now this is going to be same as what? Your 3k plus 4 divide by k plus what? Plus 3 is the same as what? It is going to be the same as 5k plus 10. Then you divide this by what? By 3k plus 4. Isn't it so? This is basically one and the same thing. And now what is it then that we can do now from here to try and solve for the value of what? Of k. Now let's start here. So for us to solve this, for example, we can try and get rid of our denominator, right? So we can start by firstly looking at our what? At our LC, what? At our LCD, and see in terms of what is it that we can find, right? Now, our LCD here, it is going to be what? In this particular thing, for example, it's going to be same as k plus 3, which is also same as what? And also this other side, you're having what? 3k plus 4, right? So basically that is going to be our LCD. So now what is it then that we can do? For example, if you can come this particular side, you are going to multiply by our LCD in both of these particular fractions, right? Now, when you're multiplying by our LCD, for an example, look, so we are saying now here, this is going to be same as what? Now this is same as your 3k plus 4 is going to be multiplied by what? Now, which LCD you are going to multiply with here? Remember here you have k plus 3 already, so which means the only bracket that you are going to multiply with, it is going to be 3k plus 4, right? So you are going to multiply by what? You are going to multiply it by what? 3k 3k plus 4 again. This is going to be saying 3k plus 4. And then your denominator, what is it that you're going to have in your denominator? Remember, you had k plus 3. And now you multiply it by what? You multiply it by 3k plus 4, right? So that is going to be this one. And then similarly here, you are having 5k plus 10. And now also divide by what? Divide by 3k plus 4. So which denominator you are going to multiply by with? Remember, you already have your 3k plus 4 as your denominator. So you're going to multiply k plus 3, right? So which means here you're going to multiply what? 3k, or rather this is k plus 3. Rather, this is same as k plus 3. This is going to be same as k plus 3. Similarly, in your denominator also you're going to multiply with k plus 3, right? So basically that is what you are going to do. And now after that, what is it then that you are going to do from here? So now from here now, let's see in terms of what is it that you can try and do. So you can take this one, this particular side. You can simply take this into this particular side and see in terms of what is it that you are going to have, right? Now, since this is going to be your denominators, let's see in terms of what is it that you are going to have. So you are going to multiply. So when you are multiplying here, let's multiply our numerators first and see in terms of what is it that you are going to have. Now, if you multiply your numerator this side, if we start by transposing, this is going to be same as what? This is going to be same as 3k multiplied by 3k, this is going to give you 9k squared, right? You are multiplying this one with that one, right? You are multiplying this one with that one and with that one, right? So this is going to be same as 9k squared plus what? This is going to be 9k squared, and when you multiply this with this one, you're going to get plus 12k, plus this is going to be same as plus 12k also, and then the 4 multiplied by 4, it's going to give you what? It is going to give you your what? This is going to give you your 16, isn't it so? So this is going to be your 16. Now remember your 16 here. Then this is going to be 16. This is going to be over what? Over k plus what? K plus 3, and this one is same as 3k plus 4, right? So basically, that is going to be that. And now when you coming this side, what is it that you're going to have here? Now from here, what is it that you're going to have here? Let's see. So now from here, this is going to give you what? This is going to be same as 5k squared. This is going to be same as 5k squared. When you multiply this one and this one, when you multiply that one, it's going to be plus 15k. And then when you multiply this inner one, is going to be plus 10k. Plus what? Plus 30, right? Isn't it so? So basically, that is going to be that. And then now this is going to be divided by the same denominator, which is what? Which is 3k plus 4. Isn't it so? This is 3k plus 4 and k plus 3. Now, let's say we take this one to this particular side. What is it that now we are going to have, right? So now, from here, what is it that you are going to have? Remember, you are having your common denominator, right? Or the denominator is the same, right? So you are going to lose this particular denominator, which means now what is it that you're going to have here now? This is same as your 9k squared. This is 9k squared plus, and then when you say this is going to be plus 24k. Then this is going to be plus what? Plus 16 is equals to, when you come back this side, this is going to be same as what? Now when you come this side, let's say you subtract, this is going to subtract 5k squared. Now remember this 15 plus this 10 is going to give you what? 15 plus 10 is going to give you your 25. So this is going to subtract 25k, and then these are also, this is going to same as subtract what? Subtract 30 is equals to 0, right? So basically that is going to be your value of that. Now we are going to group our like terms. Now after we've grouped our like terms, what is it that you're going to have now? Look, 9 subtract 5 is going to give you what? It is going to give you 4k squared. And then when you say now from here 24 subtract 25, that what you are going to get here, it's going to be k. And when you say now negative 30 plus 16, you are going to get negative 14, right? This is going to be negative 14, which is equals to 0. And now that we are here, we can simply just now solve for what? Solve this, factorize this fully. Now when you're factorizing this fully, let's make a space here. What factors can give us this? Let's see. Now the factors that can give us here, let's see. Now from here, remember, for the first one, you can use 4 and 1. Let's say we use 4k and also what? And your k. Which other factor then can give us that? And now look, for 14, you also have 1 and 14, 2 and 7. So the best factors that can give us that, it's going to be 7 and what? And 2. So this is going to be plus here, and then this is going to be minus in here, right? So, and then from there, what is it that you're going to do? This is going to be same as 4k plus 7 is equals to 0, or k subtract 2 is equals to 0. And then now from here, what is it that you're going to have? The value of your k that you're going to have here, it's going to be same as negative 7 over 4, or the value of your k is going to be same as what? It is going to be same as what? As your 2. How to get? So basically, that is going to be the values of k that you're going to find. Hopefully these make sense to you now, and you understand what is required of you when it comes to this part of questions. Thank you very much.